Alright, so I plugged the Youbi ARF quad on my PC on that USB port that is available on that board, which I showed earlier on a video. So I'm here at Clean Fight Configurator, and we'll try to connect. There you go. I moved the quad. It works. Response. That is good. Now we're gonna go to the CLI and see what version we have here of Clean Flight. So there you go. Pay close attention to this, because if you're gonna flash this with Betaflight, you need to know the target, which is an SP Racing F3. So this is a November 2016 build. I haven't used Clean Flight in a while, so I don't know if this is the latest one, but I will keep this and made in the quad with the default firmware and the default PIDs. So this is the PID settings. These are default. I didn't change anything. Your roll rate, pitch rate. So we're gonna fly it again with these settings and see how the quad flies with the default the propellers that came with it and the linear antenna. Hopefully we could get a flight recording or video of that maiden flight. Now my plan is to, again, that's multi-wii rewrite the PID controller that is using. Now after that, we'll probably gonna be flashing this with Betaflight, and I'll make sure that I do a video of that too, of the whole process, and then fly it with Betaflight and with the PIDs that I am base PIDs that I'm using on my 130 builds. So anyways, guys, that's what it has. What else can I show you here? Well, I have to change all of this when I install an FR Sky S-Bus receiver in there. So this UB ARF also, it mentioned it's running BL Heli S. I'm gonna use the BL Heli configurator here to test or to see what's the version of BL Heli S that's currently on the ESCs. Again, this is using a 4-in-1 ESC. So let's connect, and then I will plug the battery in, and we're gonna click read setup. So there you go. That's the settings that it's configured with. So you can see there, that's the version of 16.4. Again, I'm not gonna touch that. I'm gonna fly it as it is with the default settings. So here you can see that the min max are set to, the min is 1020, the max is 1760. This is quite different from the settings that I use on my 130, but again, this is default, so we're not going to touch that. We're gonna use it use the default settings. It also says here the motor timing is medium, and yeah, so pretty straightforward. And the next time that we flash this with a different firmware, then I'm gonna do another video of that.